What's up, Mavericks? If you're trying to decide between QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to compare the two and figure out which one is best for your business. And while QuickBooks Online and Desktop have a bunch of different similarities, there are some differences that you need to know about to make your decision. We're going to explore the pros and cons, figure out how they compare in terms of pricing features and usability. So let's dive right in. Hey, okay, so it's Ahmad from the future. So as we were putting this video together, QuickBooks changed some of its offerings. So we're inserting this little caveat so you can make the most informed decision for your business. Everything in our video is accurate until the end of September of 2024. Then, as of September 30th, 2024, QuickBooks will be discontinuing QuickBooks Desktop Pro Plus, QuickBooks Desktop Premier Plus, QuickBooks Desktop Mac Plus, and QuickBooks Desktop Enhanced Payroll. This means that the only QuickBooks Desktop product that will still be available from October onward is QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise. Businesses can still purchase QuickBooks Desktop Pro Plus, Premier Plus, and Mac Plus until September 30th, however. And if you purchase one of these 2024 QuickBooks Desktop products before the deadline, QuickBooks will continue providing regular product and security updates for 3 years. After 3 years, Intuit drops support for its desktop products, meaning no more product updates, security updates, no help support, and certain features will no longer function. We wanted to let our viewers know about this change since it's a huge point of consideration when comparing QuickBooks Online versus QuickBooks Desktop. Got it? Okay, back to Ahmad of the past. All right, so let's figure out how these two are actually similar. Both QuickBooks Online and Desktop are highly popular accounting software options, obviously by the same brand. The two software have been used by millions of small business owners throughout the years. Each of them offers strong accounting features, reporting, and business software integrations, all on one subscription-based pricing. So how are you supposed to choose between these two? QuickBooks Online and Desktop are very different in some key areas, and I'm going to cover them in depth, like installation method, feature depth, integration number, pricing, ease of use, and bookkeeping support. The first and arguably the biggest difference between the two is that one is installed under Desktop and the other one is in the cloud. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting software, meaning all of your data is stored in the cloud. You can access your account easily online or through the QuickBooks Online mobile app. QuickBooks Desktop, you guessed it, is designed for desktops, meaning the software is locally installed on a single computer. It can obviously limit your accessibility, but arguably will increase security as long as you're tech savvy enough to handle software security yourself. If not, QuickBooks Online built-in security is probably a better option. Personally, I would rather choose QuickBooks Online. You can opt for QuickBooks hosting to access your desktop account via cloud. But if online accessibility is important to your business, QuickBooks Online is much easier. Trust me on this one. Second up is feature depth. When it comes to depth of features, QuickBooks Desktop beats out QuickBooks Online in many cases, except for invoicing and automations. QuickBooks Desktop has sales orders, lead management, job costing, and 50 more reports than QuickBooks Online. Some users find that QuickBooks Desktop's accounting features are also more customizable, but QuickBooks Online has a more modern invoicing platform with time-saving invoicing automations like recurring invoices, batch invoicing, progress invoicing, auto scheduling, invoice tracking, and even multilingual invoicing. So if those features are important to you, then QBO is the way to go. QBO stands for QuickBooks Online. All right, the next big difference is integrations. QuickBooks Online has 750 plus integrations compared to QuickBooks Desktop's 250 plus. If you have very specific business software you want QuickBooks to work with, odds are QuickBooks Online is more likely to be compatible, but it's worth looking at both integration lists before deciding. If you're a new business and you don't have that many integrations yet, QuickBooks Online is going to give you much more room to grow with those 750 plus integrations. All right, let's talk pricing. Both QuickBooks Online and Desktop have subscription-based pricing. QuickBooks Online offers a bunch of pricing plans with either monthly or annual subscriptions, whereas QuickBooks Desktop is solely annual subscription-based. Overall, QuickBooks Online's monthly pricing is usually easier for small business owners to swallow than the annual upfront desktop cost. And in general, QuickBooks is constantly updating the pricing and offering a variety of sales. So for the most up-to-date information, check out our posts on QuickBooks Online pricing and QuickBooks Desktop pricing, or visit the QuickBooks website directly. And if you want to get started with either desktop or online right now, go ahead and click our description below and start a free trial. Okay, when it comes to ease of use, it's a clear choice. QuickBooks Online is much easier to use. It has a more modern, intuitive interface and has better help articles if you ever get stuck. Desktop has a notoriously steep learning curve. For accountants or those with an accounting background, you might find Desktop more in line with what you're used to, but the average small business owner is going to find QBO so much simpler than Desktop. The last comparison I'm going to make is for bookkeeping support. QuickBooks Online offers a unique service called QuickBooks Live Bookkeeping that is completely absent from QuickBooks Desktop. QuickBooks Live Bookkeeping is basically a service that connects you to real CPAs certified on QBO and can help you with everything from filing taxes to managing monthly bookkeeping tasks and offering you financial advice. It's a really great option for small businesses that need that extra accounting support. Prices are going to vary depending on what you need. So check out our full QuickBooks Online pricing post for more information. You can click the description below to get that. So there you have it. Those are the biggest differences. All in all, QuickBooks Online is a more common choice for small business owners because it's easier to use, has a monthly pricing structure, integrates with more business software, and can be accessed online anywhere. But if you need more customizable accounting or really specific features like sales orders, you want to opt for Desktop instead. All right, I hope this helped you learn about the differences and similarities of QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. If you want to get started with either one of these, click the links in our description below to get started and sign up for a free trial. And if you want more information about each of them, check out our full comparison post, again, linked in the description below. If you still have questions, leave us a comment. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you more small business videos like this. And if you're curious about how other business software stacks up against each other, we have dozens of versus videos and articles to help make your software buying decisions easier. Check them out the next time you need help comparing options. And if you want to be part of our newsletter to get deals and promos in the future, sign up for our email newsletter below. Thank you for watching, Mavericks. Until next time.